What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1969 Chevelle. This does have a date code correct motor. It's a 69 model motor. 350 under the hood, power steering. Disc brakes in the front on this one, drum in the rear. In this video, we're going to be walking around, pointing out any kind of scratches, chips, anything you might need to know about before you come down here to pick this car up. I went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood, so I'm not fumbling the camera around. We're going to be taking the top down during this video. And then when I get done, we're going to take off and go down the road for a test drive. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos almost every day. We definitely get a bunch of videos out for y'all throughout the first of the weeks. Pretty much every week. We're gonna get started up here in the front. Front bumper on this one's in great shape. The grill looks nice and clean as well. Get down the side of the car here. Kind of checking everything out. I'm gonna try not to miss anything. Got a good set of tires. Still a little bit of water dripping off the car from where I washed it. It's got some chip marks down here where you get out. Accidentally kicked the little panel down there, but I'm not seeing any rust bubbles or anything like that popping through. The door's in great shape as well. Vent windows are in good shape, so's the rubber around them. The trim looks good around the front of the windshield. There is a little bit of a dent here, real small. Be laying the hood down towards the end as well. Checking over the top. Looks like we got a little bit of overspray on here. Got a tear in the back corner. Rear bumper's in great shape as well. Tail lights look pretty good. Dual exhaust out the back. Weather stripping's in great shape. Trunk lid looks good. I got some insulation back here. Looking on this side and checking everything out. Looks like they got a little bit of something here. What is that? It's like a tar. Doesn't look rusted out. Definitely got some surface rust, that's for sure. Let's pull this mat out. Package tray's got some surface rust on it as well. No holes. Look, our light fell out of here. Let's put it back. All right. Well, we're gonna run down this side of the car as well. Top's in better shape back here on this side. Pretty straight. I'm not really seeing any waves in the paint. Bit of water left over still. Those aren't paint bubbles, that's actual water. Had somebody say that in the last video on the red Chevelle. Door handles look pretty good. Mirrors are in good shape as well. Do got some pitting on the trim right here around the vent window. Good looking car. All right, let's go ahead and check that interior out. Looking pretty good. Let's check up under this door. Weather stripping looks nice. Underside of the door, pretty good shape. Carpet, fairly new. Got the boot that goes over the top when it's down. We'll be taking it down here in just a second. Let's look on the inside of it first. Nice and clean. Go ahead and place your bets. We do a little game. Do you think the horn works on this one? This steering wheel looks fairly new. Look, still got the plastic on it. Just turn the key, starts right up. Can't stand behind mileage on a 69 model. Showing 60,000. Wipers. Jiggle the switch sometimes, push the button. We'll leave it on a second, mess around with it under the hood. Blower motor. It's gonna need work, it's not working. Radio. Radio is working. Horn. They never hooked it up, I guess. Good sounding exhaust. Gas gauge is up. Let's go ahead and take this top down. Pull this side, pull that side. Turn you around. I got a switch up under the dash. Just push the button. Drop the top. Right, top's down. See how the windows roll down? Not too bad there. Check this window out. I'm gonna need 2 hands to put all this together. I'll be doing that right before the test drive video. Just gonna kind of lay it up there for now. Push down the sides, give you an idea. We're gonna walk around and do some undercarriage shots on this one here in just a moment. The hood comes down, nice and easy. All right, we're We're gonna start up here in the back. Go ahead and look all the way around the car underneath. Let's check it out. I do got close to 100 detailed pictures on my website at maplemotors.com. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Have that all provided and available for you if you go check it out. You can also see all of our current inventory. We updated yesterday, and we're gonna update every Monday. Getting ready to do a test drive video. It'll be located at the end of this one, the last 30 seconds, or just type in 1969 Chevelle Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar. You can also put the stock number, which this one's 783. If you have difficulty finding, give me a call, 615-822-4444. I appreciate you walking around with me. The best thing to do is share these videos. It gets us out there, and I appreciate that very much. It's all because of y'all. I do appreciate you watching. Thanks again, guys.